This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Hilmar Castillo. This beautiful maintenance-free rancher in a quiet subdivision 7 minutes from downtown is what you have been looking for. New LVP flooring, so no carpet, new interior paint, washer and dryer conveys, fenced backyard, great storage space over the garage, smart thermostat. But that is not all. The owner is transferring the home warranty to no additional cost. You are covered until 12/2021. The HOA covers lawn care. For more information, review the details below or contact Hilmar Castillo at 865-584-4000.